Hi, welcome to Yum's Cuisine Island Treasure Pot. Today we'll be making curry oats. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, please do so now. Like, share and comment. Please hit the notification bell as well so that you'll be updated every time I post a video. So today we are starting off with our vegetable oil into our pot and we are going to get that heated. Here I have all the aromatics that will be used today. We have garlic, onions, carrots, peppers, celery and chive. In the pot here I have the onions and the garlic both getting softened. And to this I'm going to add the curry powder. Just want to combine those ingredients. To this I've added the carrots as well as the pimento, then combined, and now I'm going to add some water and bring to a simmer. Now that it's to a simmer, we can now add our coconut milk. That is now to a simmer as well. And to this I'm going to add my complete seasoning as well as my black pepper. I'm adding 1 bay leaf and my oats at this point. Now you want your oats to cook to the texture of rice. So you're going to gradually add water as we go along until the oats cook. So here you can see me adding my water gradually. And it's as simple as that. Curried oats, it's a healthy option, no starch, no gluten. So I'm just gonna let that steam and then I'm gonna add some salt to taste as well as my celery and chive. You just want to combine all of those ingredients, add some more water to bring it to the correct texture. Now you're looking for a texture kind of like pilau. You want a pilau consistency. And here you have it, our curried oats. If you can notice that the water has dried up from the pot, that's the texture and the consistency that we are looking for. So as you can see, I have it plated here, completed our curry oats. Thanks for watching. See you next time.